What up, boys and girls? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to attempt to do an install video, but we're going to be swapping out these stock rear sets for some nice LighTech rear sets. Alright, so packaging is nice. The reason I went with these though is actually my buddy with the S1000 got a set of these, and I was never really felt like I needed to do rear sets necessarily until I felt how insanely sticky these pegs are. I mean, compared to the stock, which does the job, I loosened that already, but does the job, but I mean, they're nowhere near as sticky as these guys. When I tried it, my boots felt like they were literally stuck to these things, so I'm excited for that. Plus, they look really nice. I mean, can't go wrong with some billet aluminum. It's always beautiful. Let's see. Oh yeah, these are nice. Yeah, these are beautiful. So these, I know they're machined from a solid block of aluminum. So they're very lightweight, very strong. They should serve me pretty well, but yeah, all this is very nice. The only thing, so I got the racing ones, which I like the carbon fiber heel guards a little bit better, I think. This one comes with these, which feels like it's, I mean, they're super light. This is probably aluminum or magnesium or something. You can just buy the carbon heel guards separately, which I might do. We'll see once we get this all put together. But yeah, let's start taking the stock ones off and putting the new ones on. All right, so I'm gonna start with the easy part. I already cracked this loose. I'm hoping I can reuse these titanium bolts, but from the look of the new ones, I don't think I'm going to be able to, which sucks. These are gorgeous, but I'm gonna try, we'll see. The new ones kind of have a concave, which I have a feeling is not gonna work well with these, because these are flat. So here's the new one. Well, the old ones, you can see it's just flat on the inside here. Definitely a big weight difference, even though it's all assembled. New ones, it's concave, so we can, you know what? I'm okay with that, I think. It doesn't feel like it would be any less secure. I always like to wear gloves too, not because I want to get dirty, but mainly because I don't want to get my greasy fingerprints all over the nice new stuff. Snug these up. And these, of course, are adjustable. Forward, backwards. I'm going to go for a more aggressive position, I think. I think it's this way, yeah. So I'm probably going to go for something like that. Alright, let's get these heel guards on. This little 3mm. And for the foot peg, it's got this little 8mm bolt. I am going to do, it's probably the most aggressive setting to start with. I will probably go back and Loctite this too, but I just want to see how everything feels before I really torque everything down. Now just snug it up, and that's that. So this is by far the easiest part of the install. Now we'll move down to shifter here. I gotta take this boot off. Expose that. Pop that guy out. Pop that, and start to figure that out. All right. So I did swap to the ones that came with it. I'm gonna order the correct bolts for that one, just in case, because I don't know. I just don't like it not seating all the way into it like the one that LighTech provided does. But yeah, so let's pop out the shifter on here. It's just a 4 mil. That's very tight. This guy here is a 6 mil. That broke free. Oh yeah. That one. There we go. This one does not feel like. This one's probably got some Loctite on it. So yeah, it's got some blue Loctite on this one. The new one does also come with a washer. So the bolt looks like probably fits out this way if I had to guess. Yeah, it's kind of a, I don't know if the camera's gonna focus, it's kind of a top hat washer, so it's got a little ridge at the bottom there. Once this is all said and done, I'll look up the torque values for everything as well. All right, now I just need a 4 mil, tighten up the peg. Now we can put our shifter back on here. First, let's test and make sure that the stock one threads in without any issues. Does. You want as close to a 90-degree angle as possible. So that's probably going to be, I'm thinking, this first hole here. And I do use a GP shift, as it should be, in my opinion. Let's snug this guy up. Put this back over here. That completes this side of the install. Everything looks beautiful. All this billet aluminum is gorgeous. It literally looks like jewelry on the bike. These pegs are just insanely sticky. In my glove. Yeah, these are sharp. These are the fixed foot peg models, or model. You can get the folding foot pegs as well if you prefer. I'm fine with the fixed, I think, but yeah, I mean, the nice thing about LighTech is everything is, you can buy all the parts individually. I think Revzilla carries a lot of them, or obviously LighTech themselves, but yeah, I love it. These look beautiful. I definitely think I'm gonna swap this for the carbon fiber heel guards though. Especially since this bike has so much carbon fiber, it'd be nice to kind of tie these into it. As well as probably do titanium bolts for all these guys. But yeah, happy with this side so far. This side was very simple. Let's hop over the other side, which should be pretty straightforward, but definitely is going to be a little bit more difficult with the brake master cylinder and all that.
Alright, this is what I get for trying to get it.
Pop this guy out. Yeah. Yeah, it's probably hard to see on the camera, but essentially there's a pin that goes through it. It has to be unbent, and then you can pull it out backwards. And that will release the master cylinder.
There we go. That's it right
She's
there.
up.
That's it. And then what size is this?
Careful of carbon, you got that peg real close to it. What is that piece?
For the rear brake light.
This kit did come with a piece needed to have the rear brake light work with the new rear sets.
There it is.
Cool. There we go. Go. Here's that little pin.
I need this shit. No, that's on backwards. There we go. That's the pin. Slide it through. Just re-unfold it. I need a flathead to do.
That's all right. All right. Brake reservoir is on. Just gotta secure this to the frame. Do the heel guard, and we should be done. Heel guards. Just gotta adjust this guy, and we should be good. All right, same 8 mil. We are on. All right, guys, I'm sure this video is kind of all over the place. Yeah, and I've never done an install video before, but this is the finished product, which I think looks absolutely incredible. Pretty much got it dialed in to where I like it. Foot pegs are definitely up a lot higher. It's a insanely aggressive position now, which you can always change it by lowering it back to pretty much what it would have been stock, but I definitely like the more aggressive feel, and these things are just insanely sticky, which is awesome. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It looks really good on the bike as well. I mean, it's just a much more aggressive looking peg. But yeah, overall happy with it. Excited to go out, give it a try. But that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments what you thought. If you want me to do more videos like this or just stick to riding. But thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.